Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on today's video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I have a great little tip to share with you folks today, and this is using an acrylic frame. Now for me, there's been a lot of times where I've been stamping and I've misplaced a stamp thinking I've actually put it away. And a week later, I find the stamp and I don't know which stamp set it belongs to. I'm sure we've all been there. So I have a great tip. So I went out to our store called the Christmas Tree Shop, very inexpensive store, and picked up one of these acrylic frames. And what I love about it is it sits up on my desk. It doesn't take up a lot of room. So when I'm stamping, I place my stamps on the acrylic frame and then I was like, well, wait a minute, we have framelets. So I went to Home Depot, which is our hardware store here, and I picked up some magnetic vent covers. Now these are very inexpensive as well. I think they're probably like under $5, and you get 3 in the pack, which is awesome. And I just used my Tombow because they're not adhesive backed. I just used my multi-purpose liquid glue, the Tombow, and it stuck perfectly and it works great. So what I did was I cut out 1-inch strips, measured the length of the frame, and I attached it. So that way, if I'm working with a stamp set that has coordinated framelets, I can stick the framelet on here. And that way I know, okay, the stamp and the framelet are here, and when it's time to put everything away, it just makes my life a little bit easy. Now, what's great about this is this paper on the inside. My craft room is orange, and that is how come I use the orange paper. And what's nice is you can use and design it to whatever the color is of your craft room. I went to, excuse the mess, this is my trash bin, but my room is orange. I have orange bins everywhere. That's why I went with the orange background. And again, you can customize it to your room, which is nice. So I hope you found today's project tip useful and will give it a try in your craft space. I know it has helped me tremendously in mine. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I do love to read all your comments. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.